Hi guys, in this video we're going through my iPhone 13. So let's get started. So as you can see, I've got two widgets, the weather widget and my Ring doorbells, back door and the front door. I've also got a shopping section with eBay, Temu and Just Eat. I also use a company called Dean Taxis for taxis. So there's also an app for my house on the inside, Tapo, as you can see. Hello. There's also my banking app, Spotify. I love Spotify. I've also got messaging apps, iMessage, Messenger, Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp and FaceTime. In my app library, I've got many apps here. Suggestions, I've got my games, my activities app, my home app, which I use for my home pod. Social apps, Facebook, Messenger, LinkedIn. There's also an app that I use a lot, which is my utility. You can see I've got £19 left on my Aleki and £6 left on my gas. Use YouTube Studio to see how my videos are doing. '43 subscribers this month, crikey. As you can see, the TV license video is at the top. My audience is typically between 25 and 44 years old. And of course, it's male oriented. Most of my viewers are from the UK. So am I. I love eBay and get a lot of discount stuff on here. I love the fitness app. So yesterday on Monday I walked 2.81 miles. 5,000 steps, 7 flights climbed, very good. And there's also my health and medication apps, including my NHS app. And that's pretty much it. If you enjoy my videos, please click this next video here. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.